Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Debbie. Yeah, in this video I want to show you my ashoke. Okay, so and also to explain how you're going to join it, because I know some beginners may not know how to go about this gele. Okay, this is ashoke, and usually it comes in two different ways. Number one, it could come in just one strand, just one, very long, just one like this, very long. So if it's very long, it depends on the measurements, of course, from the factory. So it could be that it is meant for the husband and the wife. So usually the gele, there's something we call awe, when it's, when it comes to gele, ashoke. Like for the woman or for the wife, you can use 3 awe for the gele. All right. So the igele, it comes like this, like I said, just one strand this way. So, and the one strand, you can cut it into 4 different pieces. Okay, 4 different pieces. It could be equal, it may not be equal. Okay, so if it's not equal, you can make 3 equal, then the other one not as long as the 3. Okay, it's in 4. The one may not be as long as the 3, because that one is meant for the cap for the man. All right, and the other 3 is for the gele. So the gele, the 3 that will be used for the gele must be equal. Why the other one for the fila or the cap may not be as long as the one that could be used for gele. I hope you understand. So, but in my own case, I bought it this way. They have cut it. In fact, I bought it. They just wrapped 4, and that 4 came in 1. I said it usually comes just 1 like this. So you could be lucky they could have maybe cut it, divided it into like 3 parts or 3 sections or 4. If it's 4, that means it's for the wife and the husband. Okay. But if it's 3, that means it's for only the woman for our gele. Okay. Because it usually comes in 4 pieces, but of course 1 strand, and will be divided into 4. All right. So, but my own case, I wasn't the one that did it this way. I bought it this way. It's been divided into 4. Okay, 1 for my husband and 3 for me. My story is too much. I'm sorry. This is the cut parts. Okay, I said it comes this way. So you now divide it into 3. So this is the cut section here. Can you see this line? Can you see? It's even freely. So this is it. This is number 1. So this is the number 1, like this. So let me fold it into 2. Okay, then this is another one, the same length. Then this is the 3rd one. So this 3 is meant for my gele. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to join. It is very simple. It is very simple. This 3 is going to be combined. So I will just put it, I'll pick 2. Okay, once I pick 2, then check the right and wrong. So just make sure it goes with this. All right. So this one is even like, I don't think there's any right or wrong here. It's like the same. Okay. So what I will do, I will just place it this way. 2. Now, you will place the end here. Can you see the down part and the upper part? You place it together like this. About 1/8 on each other. Can you see? Just place it this way. And you place it on your machine and you sew. Okay, I hope you understand. You sew. Can you see how much I laid it at the back? Just about 1/8 or at most 1/4. So you place it this way and you sew. Let it be as neat as possible. Okay, not that you place 1/2 inch over 1/2 inch. No, 1/8 over 1/8, or at most 1/4 over 1/4. Right? So this is how it is. Then you sew this way till you get to the end, right? So when you are done with that, you bring the 3, the 3rd one, the number 3. Okay, the number 3. So let's assume we have joined this. Let me pin it. So we have joined these 2. Let's assume we have joined these 2. So this is the number 3. You place it 1/8 on 1/8 or 1/4 on 1/4, and you do what? You sew from this point to the very end. So I want to assume that I have sewn as well. All right. So I I'm assuming that I have joined it, okay? And the 3 is now 1. Can you see what I am saying? So this is how it's going to look like. So once I am done with the stitching, then I will come to this part. Can you see that it's already, the wool or probably the thread is already coming out. So I will just put it this way, fold it once, fold it the second time, and I will do that and stitch from here down, and I am okay. I am done with my gele. All right, so I will do it quickly now, then show you the outcome.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Never.